sentence correction of a voice ni ba voice ni chini joto sob chini grammar tongmani aboni je correction ba voice madaman ba passive form bo sanani maman ba bo clear da hinai nayo ba narration pan nanya degree pan nanya joto sob ni grammatical ni abo check khaina hinga sing tabo bon je voice ni or sentence correction ba sentence improve ba sentence error or bo jaga error he has been taken by his friend or bul datong bul hinga bo jaga bul sare pacha sare tale de
has
he
jaga
has
is
he has been taken by his friend or bo jaga bul
has jaga
has jaga wa or wa nini muti na tong mani or wa he is being taken by his different একে যদি অপশন যদি করি হিংকাই অপশন যদি করি হিংকা হাংকাই হ্যাজ যদি রেখা হাংকাই অর বি ডাবল ইএন বি নংনা নাংমানি অপশন যদি করি হিংকাই ম অপশন নংনাই he has been taken by his friend bas অরওয়া হেজ যদি রেখা হাংকাই বিন অর ই যদি রেখাই বিং অরওয়া হেজ রিজাক অরওয়া বিং ইয়া বিন নাই একে বিং নরিনা হাংকা অরওয়া ইস নাই একে ম অপশন কুইশন নিনে অপশন ম যদি কই ম টং হাংকা মং নাই ম কই হিংকে মং নাই ম ফানং মনো ম ফানং ক্লিয়ার বুড়া বুঝিখা কেবো যদি বুঝিয়া হাংকাই সাদি অবা আটটা রুল তঙ্গ নরমা রিজাক আটটা সূত্র বয়স ni atta sutra tongo o atta sutra mangka kano poriskarang tanai bas ike tabung nai di next clear yang hangkai sadi poriskarang yang hangkai sadi oro hangkai porapul sadi das a pen taken by the student o jaga bul oro na correct hangkai correct bul hangkai bul bo jaga wo hatsa sadi acha मान लिया is a pen taken by the student nai bas is a pen taken by the student obong hangkai interrogative tongo option oro mo kaisa nong nai te ya mo sob somoy passive das by surung ya nini abo present indefinite interrogative tongoni present indefinite voice ba passive hangkai am is are gaur to je to pen third person on bagai is bas eke tabuk nai poriskarang yang hangkai sadi poriskarang yang hangkai sadi time nosto takai di tabuk ani sara tangga neta kaisa tongo aban bagai kita pun time nosto takai di a mango is being eating by Sumon. A mango is being eating by Sumon. O jaga po jaga bul. O sentence po jaga bul long tong. Sari pacha.
Being eating.
Eating po bul long. Eaten nang. ঠিক আছে a mango is being eaten by a mango is being eaten by sabo Sumon. Bas question mark da full sto aba assertive se eke oro is being oro nini object plus is are plus being plus pp object present continuous ni nini passive form ঠিক আছে present continuous to tongabo eke moka passive form bas next और खब जगह बुलुंग टोंग के कुंडा बुल yang kita bul totong curry was been cooked by mother bul datang orang bul datang
Being nasal being
Curry
was being.
curry was being curry was being nai was emisar was where pakai being single being cooked by being cooked by sabo being
Mother.
cooked by mother curry was being cooked by mother bas iya kai ba oro jodi bin no jodi rinan hingka hangkai oro waso nini angnai has angnai ini apa rina hangka hangkai curry has been cooked by cooked by mother jadi mo option kri hingkai mo jadi option kri hingkai o option nai tanggai orwa was hingkai to being si hingkai bin jadi nijak hingkai has hingkai mo na mo hiakai mo bas next of bobo correct sadi next of sadi bacha did football played by Omol apti ingya pasibo kokono do ba did by surung ya interrogative phano orowo was football played by Omol bolte chini passive form bo past indefinite hingga was by oya angka passive form bo active bo hangka do interrogative ne active bo hangka do do iya theba das do did das obo by auxiliary verb pri hingga eke kintu passive bo hangka passive bo indefinite hingga was oya eke present no hangka passive bo hangka interrogative ni abo emisa maka jeno was football played by nini Omol bas ঠিক আছে next has a pen being called by police orob jaga bul sari pacha bul datang tongkang ka jaga pacha sari bul kuri dia pacha
Kray.
has a man orowa has have had tongkai bin nang thanai bing rimana orob bulungka bin nang nai bin double l e d has have had tongkai b double n bin mane present perfect ba past perfect ngai b double e n bin has a man been called by police bas mo eket tadi oro no bing rina hangkai oro emisar ngai ba a man hangkai is a man being called by obo option ngai ba nung jadi oro mo option to hangkai is a man b e i n g being non narang hangkai being called by police buji kabla na clear bla na obo iya khaba obo has jadi rina hangkai being jadi rina khai emisar bas sung buji thanga present continuous by past continuous kai emisar was er nu khangkai b i n g being er present perfect by past perfect hangkai has have had nu khangkai b double e n been passive ঠিক আছে clear next orob jaga bul sade have I been called by father tadari
Bin BWN
have I been called by father bas on for next orob jaga bul sade where apple being taking by businessman orob sade bojaga bul taratari phacha where ঠিক dong AWPLES apples kabang manggai where apple BEING being tamna taken by businessman businessman bas interrogative next oro po jaga bul bobo bul aba jodi sutra voice ni chikang chang khaikya voice ni sutra jodi sami angka angkai aba confusion nai an bagai naidi let's open the door po jaga bul chini sutra tamo let tinggal no object the door let the door nai let tinggal no object an pore kano be erpre pdpp open open bas let the door be open obong ka correct bas obong important sentence ni next hadi obo bobo correct ebong wrong taratari bobo sister was being called by mother sister was being called by mother or jaga pura bul sister was being or call ya CALLED marna PPP called by brother called by sabo sister was being called by mother bas sister was being called by mother obong ka past continuous ni passive form past continuous ni passive form ঠিক আছে একে অবনাইদি a cup was break by brother a cup was break by brother enggak apa probul a cup bota kabul a cup was broken by brother pas abakai past indefinite ni passive past indefinite ni passive a cup was broken by brother bas next hadi next kota kapul next
An apple has been eaten by
an apple has nai an apple has been eating ya eaten eaten of passive form মানে present perfect ni direct active form gaje has been pbing কিন্তু অরব passive form গই an apple has been eaten by an apple has been eaten by sister an apple has been eaten by sister bas abon pore an apple has been eaten by sister a mango have been eaten by olok orok punda pulrong pul pringat kuroi angka angka bojaga a mango number a mango has been a mango kaisangoi apa has nai a mango has been eaten by olok bas on for last nini 15 number bobo 15 number a book has written by student a book has written by student borapul a book what a book has been written by sabo student bas a book has been written by student a book has been written by student bas ikai khana oboni mamang kaisa protekta jemon nereshoni erba subject by agreement ni sing sekango naikya barbar haibana teisa jeng obo haikai sentence correction by error sentence obo nainai nereshoni degree ni এরপরে সেন্টেন্স 10টা অবশ্যই নাইবেনে অকিপিওনো নাইপেবিনে একে খনা অবনা একদম থেকে সঙ্গে অবমামাং 100টা 100টা মক টেস্ট নাই 100টা নাই ঠিক আছে একে जों তিনি চেক খাইনেকে বব জায়গা শুধু নং বয়সেন একদম তুই হাইকে মানদি কারণ নন বয়সেন খাদিন ছায়া নন সেন্টেন্স কারেকশন রগ চেক খাইনাই একে जों যত গ্রামার নিনো অবাইকে একদম ক্লিন লিট ইন ক্লিন একদম পরিষ্কার কা মানো ঠিক আছে